All right, I'm out in Ellicott City, and I am doing a trap out of a colony of bees that is behind the wall that the ladder is tilted up on. There are definitely bees in there. They've been in there for a couple weeks. I initially tried to force abscond them, but it didn't work, failed. So I put that deep box up there with brood comb, and I baited it. And anyways, the bees never came out, so I just installed a trap out. And ironically, today, a giant swarm was flying around this area. This is kind of like the courtyard. They flew up into this tree right here, and it caused a major commotion here at the church. And the gentleman, the maintenance guy, said that the swarm flew through here and up into that area. And ironically, I'm going to go up the ladder here. We'll concentrate on St. Michael here. I think that's who that is. Filming and walking up a ladder. This is the swarm moved into my trap out box. Here's the bees still coming out of the trap out. But you can see there's bees flying around all over the place. They're actually trying to get back into the cavity, but lo and behold, there's the swarm. So now I gotta figure out, I gotta coordinate getting this box out. Here's all the bees kind of flying. I've now got them scattered here. Trap out's still running, so it's going at a good pace. So anyways, I caught a swarm in my trap out box, a massive one. And so I'm gonna come back early tomorrow morning and remove this box and put another one up here so that the trap out can keep going. You can see there's a good amount of bees going out of there, so it's a working good. I had to stuff underneath this flashing about 10 feet in either direction so that the bees couldn't get in the building. I used fiberglass because there's a huge gap there. In some areas it was like a 1-inch gap. So anyways, interestingly, a bait hive for a trap out turned into a swarm trap, and now I gotta remove it and put another empty box here. Try the tribulations of a removal specialist beekeeper here, Ellicott City, and just outside of Baltimore.